Today, we are diving deep into an online store you've probably seen everywhere, Tokyo Tiger.
Oh yeah, the ads are relentless.
Totally. They have this bold, graphic streetwear, lots of anime-style hoodies, and these Black Friday deals that seem almost impossible.
Right.
So that's our mission for this deep dive. Is Tokyo Tiger a legit premium brand, or are the deals, just too good to be true?
And you have to hand it to them. The presentation is on point.
It really is.
You land on tokyo-tiger.com and it looks completely professional.
Yeah.
Modern, well-built. It has stylish models, slick manners for hoodies, t-shirts.
It screams premium urban fashion.
Exactly. It's everything you'd want to see from a visual standpoint.
Okay, but that's just the surface. The moment we start to dig, we hit some pretty major turbulence. Let's start with the basics, like transparency.
And this is really the core of the problem.
How so?
For a brand that's marketing globally, there is, well, basically zero business clarity.
What do you mean by that? Like no address?
No clear business address, no company registration we could verify, no real information about who is actually running the store.
And for a global brand, that's a huge red flag.
It's a massive red flag. If something goes wrong with your order, say you need to dispute a charge, who are you holding accountable?
You have no one to go to.
Exactly. There's no registered entity. It allows them to operate without any real scrutiny.
Okay, so the operation itself is vague, but what about the products? The art on those hoodies can be pretty specific and trendy. How are they doing that?
Well, the thing is, they probably aren't.
What, they're not designing it themselves?
It doesn't look like it. When you compare those graphics, they look suspiciously similar to artwork you can find on wholesale sites.
Like print-on-demand sites?
Precisely. It strongly suggests Tokyo Tiger isn't a design house at all. They're just a middleman.
So they're taking pre-existing designs, slapping them onto cheap materials to maximize their profit.
That seems to be the model. It's ultra-fast fashion.
So how does that play out for the customer? What's the feedback like?
It translates into really poor quality control, which is exactly what the outside reviews say. We found 3 key problems that kept coming up.
Okay, what's the first?
Slow shipping. They might say 10 to 14 days, but we're seeing reports of delivery times stretching to 6.
6 weeks.
Or even 8 weeks, because they only order from the factory after you've paid them.
Wow. Okay, what's number 2?
Product mismatch. Big time. Customers say the prints are duller than the photos, or they fade after one wash.
And the fabric quality.
Super thin. The exact opposite of the premium feel their prices suggest. We even saw one review where an XXL hoodie fit like a US medium.
So the sizing is a gamble, too.
A complete gamble. The size charts are as vague as their business address.
So if the quality is that bad and it takes months to arrive, I have to ask, what about returns?
Extremely difficult. Almost impossible, based on the feedback.
So you're stuck with it?
Pretty much. People report that it's so hard to reach support or to get any kind of refund for a damaged or incorrect item. It's a classic dropshipping symptom.
They just want to move product, not support it.
They prioritize the transaction, not customer retention. The risk is all on you, the buyer.
So let's bring this all together. What does this mean for anyone looking at one of those tempting deals?
Well, the conclusion is a bit nuanced. I wouldn't call Tokyo Tiger a total scam.
Because you do eventually get a package.
Right. Orders do get delivered, but the store is incredibly risky. You've got that mix of opaque business info, inconsistent quality.
And those insane shipping delays.
Exactly. You're gambling with your money and your time.
So our final takeaway for you is pretty clear. If you do decide to shop there, you have to radically adjust your expectations. Prepare for a very long wait, and just accept that what you get in the mail might not look anything like those beautiful photos online.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you to consider.
Yeah.
In this age of dropshipping, where anyone can create a polished e-commerce site, how much weight should we really put on a professional-looking homepage versus, actual verifiable corporate transparency?